Friends out there, let's see if you can solve this SAT math question with me or not. So the question reads that the line T in the xy plane has a slope of negative 1 upon 3 and passes through the point 9, 10. Which equation defines the line T? So here we are given the slope. The slope is denoted by m. So we are given slope here, which is negative 1 upon 3. And we know that the slope is in the form of mx, which means slope is multiply with the variable x. And here we can see that here it is in the first option, the slope is 13x. So this is the wrong option. So A is wrong. And here B is wrong too, because that's not the slope that it's given in the question. But if we look at the C and D, the slope is correct, because if we multiply negative 1 upon 3 into x is equals to negative x upon 3, so which is same. So this both slopes are correct. But now we need to solve it using the slope intercept form, which is, let's change the correct color. Y is equals to, let me write it clearly, y is equals to mx plus b. This is the standard form. So here you can see that we are given the coordinates of x and y, so we will put this value into this, so we can get the value of this y intercept. So let me put the values. The value of y here is 10, so 10 equals to, and we know the slope is negative 1 upon 3, and the value of x here is 9 plus b. And if we divide 3, if we cut 3 and here we get 3, so 10 equals to negative 3 plus b. And if we add 3 to both sides, we get the value of b as 13. We can write it also b equals to 13, which is same. So we got the value of y intercept as 13. So let me write the values, all the values in sequence. M is negative x upon 3, and the value of y intercept, which we denote as b, we got as 13. Now we need to check if the both values are correct in the given two option or not. So we can see that here the value of slope is correct in both, but in the option C the value of y intercept is 10, which is incorrect because we got the value after solving as 13. So the correct option is D. Let me cancel out C, and the correct option is D, y equals to negative x upon 3 plus 13.